Hello everyone. First of all, let's check the sound. Please type a plus sign in the chat window if you can hear us. Okay. Okay. Yes, we can hear. Okay, thank you. My name is Sigurd. I am marketing manager in SprutCAM Tech. Here with me Vitaly. Vitaly is our support specialist.
Hello.
Vitaly help our users and partners work in SprutCAM Robot. And a few words about SprutCAM Tech. We develop software for industrial robot and CNC machines. We have SprutCAM. It is CAD+CAM system for for CNC machines. And SprutCAM Robot, it is CAD+CAM system for industrial robots. Machine Maker, it is software for robot cell and CNC machines building. And also we have 3D CAD, Machine Maker, and 3D CAD comes with SprutCAM and SprutCAM Robot. And subject of the webinar, today we have one theme. It is robot welding. Vitaly will teach you to work in SprutCAM Robot like a pro, but before that I would like to tell you how to learn more about SprutCAM Robot, how to download and install SprutCAM Robot, how to learn to work in SprutCAM Robot, and how to find our partners in your country. It won't take much time. Let's start. This is our website. This site supports 14 languages. Its address www.sprutcam.com. You're very welcome to visit our website. And in order to visit SprutCAM Robot page, please choose SprutCAM Robot from the main menu. This page about SprutCAM Robot contains up-to-date information about the software. As you can see, we have different solutions for various operations. For example, welding, sculpture, pick and place, and spray painting, and other. Next, I will tell you how to download and install SprutCAM Robot. In order to download SprutCAM Robot, you have to sign in the website. If you don't have an account, please create it. You can use... You can use... Sorry, I don't show you my screen. Now I show you how to learn more about SprutCAM Robot. This is our website. It's a site located www.sprutcam.com. In order to SprutCAM Robot, choose the page in the main menu, like this. And this page contains up-to-date information about SprutCAM Robot, and as you can see, we have different solutions for various operations. And now I tell you I will tell you how to download and install SprutCAM Robot. All the link I passed in the chat. Next, in order to download SprutCAM Robot, you have to an account. If you don't have account, you can do it to with your email or Google account or Facebook account. Once you have signed in, you should go to the download center here in this main menu and download SprutCAM Robot or SprutCAM. Next, I will tell you how to learn to work in SprutCAM Robot. For this purpose, we have created our learning center. It's located in support menu. This center already contains 2 new courses about SprutCAM. This first project and midterm project. Also, we have courses about machine maker, net processing, and SprutCAM Robot, and other. These courses allow you to learn how to work with our software by yourself. Some we will add new courses on SprutCAM Robot. Besides, we have a user manual and knowledge base. Next, and the last part of my talk, I will tell you how to find our partners in your country. Now we have more 100 partners in different countries. All partners help our users buy and customize SprutCAM, SprutCAM Robot, and other our solutions. And in order to go to find dealer, as you can see, here is now you need to fill out this form, and we will answer you. This is it for today. Thank you for your attention. Please write your question in the comment window. Vitaly, your turn.
Today I want to tell about welding in SprutCAM. We have for welding 3 operations. I will start with point welding, and a bit later I will explain difference between welding 5 and 6D, but now we start from first. All projects that I will open, you can also find in distributive. Okay. About operation point welding. We have job assignment and okay, in simulation, let's check. And return to job assignment. Here we have 2 functions. First, I can add weld point, and if I click, I have this point. And if I drag and drop, this point will be always on the surface. I also can move it by coordinates X, Y, Z and angles, but I think much better by mouth. what we have next? Two parameters, x vz and vx. First, if I click it, now orientation of tool doesn't change. Nothing. Tool orientation now fixed, but if I disable again, I can use it. And next fix, it is for here I can set position of robot axis. And something maybe for robot which hold like this, I can use something flip. Okay, and it was a weld point. If between two weld point SprutCAM can calculate link directly, it's okay, weld without problem. But sometimes I need to add intermediate points between two weld, and we have second move points. It is without welding, only for additional link, and almost the same parameters. In this operation, we work only in job assignment, because if I go to strategy, here I can select to spot welding with tool like this. It is for spot welding and or tack welding for simple tool. And okay, this operation only all work in job assignment. Next, what we have about now, I will tell about welding 5 and 6D. Here, in previous SprutCAM, we had only welding 5D, but now in SprutCAM X16 we have new operation. It's updated and it has new features. Welding 6D. Maybe in next SprutCAM in future, welding 5D will be hidden. That's why I recommend all use only welding 6D. Okay, about job assignment I want to show. If I add new operation, I have select edges, and if I add, we have weld seam and 5D curve. Now I describe difference. Weld seam, if I click, SprutCAM automatically, okay, SprutCAM automatically calculates tool orientation. It is middle between all surfaces on the part. But I also can edit it only by interactive, by mouth. You can use it. And second, what is 5D curve? Sometimes if I need contour not on this edge, like maybe something like this, if I use 5D curve, okay, SprutCAM now doesn't control this part, and all vectors, this I need to set manually. And the main difference, weld sim SprutCAM control geometry of this part, and 5D curve without control. It was about job assignment. I think it's quite easy, and without problem you can use it. Next, about new features in welding operation, welding 6D. We have different welding type in hints. First, it is simple sim welding, continuous. But I also can to use stitch welding like this. In simulation we can check it. We have some length of stitch, and I think these parameters is easy to see here in help. It was stitch. Next we have also tack welding, almost very similar as in previous project, but in those project I need to add points manually by mouse interactively. Here now points will be along my curve, along here. In previous versions of SprutCAM, maybe SprutCAM 15, we had only one sim welding. Other, it's only you can use in SprutCAM 16. And last, it is spot welding for special like this tool, and we have value for additional this axis for on off. Okay, it was title about different types of welding. Return it. Also we have multipass. Sometimes I need not one sim but several, and here I can set maybe 3. First will be with offset and angle 0, 0. It's okay here, but for next I have axial distance, maybe 2. Side on the left it's plus, and other side. And now we have 1, 2, 3. It is multipass. I think also it's easy to use. Okay. In next, what we have new in SprutCAM 16, it is transformation. We have new multiply. If I disable in previous SprutCAM, always consistently we had. It means that SprutCAM will multiply first contour, second, third, and in right order it will be. But for welding, much better to calculate toolpath after first element, to go on big most distance, like here. After that, here and there. And most distance, SprutCAM will automatically calculate. Let's check in simulation. We have count 8 and each step 40 degrees. It is first. I think second will be here. And such type of multiply for welding is very useful. Okay, and it was most distance, and also we have now manually. I set count 3 and each angle manually 45, and preview I already watched it. Or I can this and different by manual also, I think, useful order. It is multiply by external rotary axis. It was by axis, but also we have the same with multiply scheme. We have manually, most distance manually, like this, count 3, and I said I can shift manually. Okay.
By the way, this is a real project from our clients.
Yes, of course. New feature in SprutCAM 16. It is different multiply, not only in right order, like first this. Okay. Next, what we have new. I open other project. Here, before each welding sew, we use probing operation. In SprutCAM, we have 2 for probing. You can see other video about this, how to use it. In probing, it is example in distributive probing for show. In the picture, I can different corner. It is as example, but you also can create your new cycles. This mode I only can use existing cycles, but if I go to setting and enable expert tools, I also have new cycles and create and edit, and after that to save it. In simulation I can check. Before each operation for welding, we have probing. Usually it is using when real part and 3D model of this part have different geometry, maybe.
Is this a new function in SprutCAM Robot X?
Yes, operation for probing, it is new, yes. And you can use it not only for welding, for maybe in milling it's also sometimes can be.
Son, we will add a new course, exactly robot welding. And this course will be contained examples with real robots.
In this project, the main difference from previous that we use different probing before each weld contour. Okay, and now I want to show you what we have in standard operation welding 6D. This operation has parameters only for moving robot, but we have nothing about special welding parameters, because they can be different for each robot, for each maybe machines, and these parameters custom you can add in your user operation. Now I show you. We have operation manager, the same if you enable expert tool, you can use operation manager. And I have one example. It is XML file, only one XML file. Now I need to restart SprutCAM.
This Excel file contains robot cell or 3D model?
No, this XML file contains only special welding parameters for operation. After that, I have not 3 operation, I have new 4th. If I add, we can check difference. In default, we have nothing here, but welding operation, we have special different parameters. For example, I can click on off, I can write some variable or number. Also, we can use parameter like this. And when I apply some parameters, post-processor can read them and output in C file. And I want to show you how this XML file looks. You can open it by Notepad, but we have sometimes much better to use, for example, Notepad++. It will be with different colors. And we have, for example, I have contact on-off in SprutCAM. It is here. And using this example, you can add your custom operation. This XML contains only new parameters for welding. And I think I finished to tell and to show our new features for welding. Maybe if you have questions, we waited, or if you know what new features we should to add in next version of SprutCAM, we also will wait your
Okay,
That's all.
thank you, Vitaly. As I already said, please write your question in the window chat. And we have some questions. One minute, please.
Okay, I need to decide
switch your screen, please.
what to click. Transition.
Okay, thank you. And Robert Bilka, why is here to installation source? And in this question I answer. Let's me a second, please. And now, as you can see, here are two installations. This is exe file and zip file. This installation for you can download and install SprutCAM, but this installation will download all the files what it need in our website, but this installation need when you have PC without internet, and you can download it in our USB or other maybe CD card and install without internet. And below our specialist Alexander write more information answer for you. Read, please. And it's I tell about your next questions. Next, Robert. Raymond, can you do back and forward welding?
Back and forward. What it means? Direction for welding?
One second, I switch on your screen. Switch. Raymond, now Vitaly show for you.
I need to ask you about this direction or not. We have an interactive arrow, and also in strategy I can use forward, backward.
Please give more information these questions. Next. All them. Hello, can we add supports in additive manufacturing like curve and pressure silencer? I think it's manufacture. If this possible, please explain how to do. Thanks. About these questions, we don't have now answer. Please contact us in this email. Now I put email in the Windows chat. Now we understand about what you write. Sorry. Beggar Roberts, do you plan to have package for the different technologies in the different robot brands? Yes. For example, now we are adding robots, new model robots. Sorry, I forgot this model. This robot from China, and every our version of SprutCAM or SprutCAM Robot, we adding new machines and CNC models. Thinking that he have in mind living. Yes, this bigger robots answers. I think answer for Raymond. Also had some problems when install first SprutCAM Robot. Same operation missing. But I think you need SprutCAM. It is.
About what version? SprutCAM 15 maybe?
I don't. Please get more information about these questions. And also our specialist Alexander answer BG robots. Using the wrong license type. But now we have questions about license manager, and about these questions you better you write a letter for us, and we will answer you. Please write your questions about SprutCAM, about SprutCAM Welding, if you have some questions. We don't have any questions. We wait 1 minute. Please switch your screen. Okay. If this is all, thank you. We have one question. BG robots, right from us. I regards of welding operation. I think it will be useful to have configurable post-processor to be able to set up for different welding source.
Post-processor which
we support for our users and partners customize post-processors, and Vitaly can develop post-processor for different robots. And if you want special app for different for customize different post processors, it's a good idea, but we don't have now it.
Ну, we have special post-processor generator where you can edit post-processors from distributive, and a custom operation welding will have special parameters, and post-processor must read and maybe convert and output these parameters in C program, in C file.
Okay, good answer. And that's all. Thank you. See you in next month. Now we don't choose subject for next webinar, but it will be. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.